Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that affects us all: climate change. We'll explore the science behind it and discuss practical steps we can take to make a difference. Did you know that the past decade has been the hottest on record? Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's happening right now, affecting every corner of our planet. Today, we're diving deep into the science of climate change and exploring how we can all take action. Climate change. Understanding the science and taking action. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is climate change? Unlike weather, which can change day to day, climate refers to long-term patterns and trends in temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric conditions. One key factor driving climate change is the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, much like the glass of a greenhouse. The carbon cycle is also crucial. It describes how carbon moves between the atmosphere, oceans, soil, and living organisms. Human activities, especially burning fossil fuels, have disrupted this natural balance, leading to an increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide. So, what are the main causes of climate change? The primary culprit is human activity. Burning fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes all release large amounts of greenhouse gases. While natural factors like volcanic eruptions and solar variations can influence the climate, the overwhelming evidence points to human activities as the main driver of recent climate changes. The impacts of climate change are vast and varied. Environmentally, we're seeing melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather patterns, from severe droughts to intense hurricanes. Biodiversity is also at risk. Many species are losing their habitats and struggling to survive as their environments change. Human health is directly affected too. Increased heat waves, the spread of diseases, and poor air quality are just a few of the health challenges exacerbated by climate change. But it's not all doom and gloom. We can mitigate the impacts of climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind, improving energy efficiency, and adopting sustainable practices are key steps. Carbon sequestration is another important strategy. This involves capturing and storing carbon dioxide through methods like reforestation and carbon capture technology. We also need to adapt to the changes that are already happening. Building resilient infrastructure and developing early warning systems can help communities withstand climate impacts. What can you do as an individual? Simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. Use public transportation, reduce meat consumption, and conserve energy at home. Educate yourself and others about climate change and advocate for policies that address the issue. Community efforts, such as participating in local environmental initiatives, are also crucial. In summary, climate change is a complex but critical issue that requires urgent action. By understanding the science and taking steps to reduce our impact, we can help protect our planet for future generations. We encourage you to take action today. Share this video to spread awareness. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on how we can build a sustainable future together. Remember, every small step counts in the fight against climate change. Let's work together to make a difference. Thank you for watching.